everyone, my name is Shivani Kondabathini. Today I will be presenting on temperaments, teamwork, and management emotions in the workplace. These are critical aspects of project management because success is not just about the completing tasks but also about understanding people, managing relationships, and maintaining a positive team environment. In this presentation, I will explain my temperament type, discuss the strategies for teamwork, and reflect on my managing emotions of during the challenging situations. Let us go to the second slide. Why human factors matter. Human factors play a crucial role in leadership and team success. While technical skills are important, the ability to understand people, communicate effectively, and manage emotions often determines whether a team succeeds or fails. Leadership is not only about giving directions but also about the creating tasks, motivating team members, and building the strong collaboration. When leaders understand the personality differences and emotional responses, they can guide their teams more effectively and create a productive and supportive work culture. And then the third slide would be about the my temperament type, phlegmatic personality. My temperament time is phlegmatic. This means I'm generally calm, patient, and focused on maintaining the harmony within a team. I tend to listen carefully because before responding, which helps me understand different perspectives. I also try to avoid unnecessary conflict and prefer to resolve issues in a peaceful and a balanced way. While I may not always be the most outspoken person in the group, but I also contribute by supporting others, staying consistent, and helping maintaining a stable team environment. And the slide 4 would be about the managing the phlegmatic temperament. To effectively manage someone with a phlegmatic personality, it is important to create a structured and supportive environment. Clear expectations help reduce confusion and makes it easier to focus on tasks. And setting up the deadlines and goals ensures steady progress and accountability. Regular feedback is also important because it builds up the confidence and keeps motivation high. In engagement, especially since phlegmatic individuals may not actively seek attention for their work. And the slide 5 would be about the teamwork strategy 1, which says about set clear objectives. The first strategy for fostering the teamwork is setting clear objectives. A meeting without a clear goal can easily become unproductive. Like, by defining the purpose of the meeting in advance and creating a structured agenda, team members know exactly what is expected by them, and this happens keeps discussions focused and ensures that everyone is working towards the same outcome. And also the to clear objectives also improves time management and overall time efficiency. And the slide 6 would be about the teamwork strategy 2, which I will talk about encourage participation. The second important strategy is encouraging participation. A strong team is one where every member feels comfortable sharing their ideas and opinions. Managers should actively invite input from all the members, especially those who may be quieter, and creating a safe and respectful environment allows people to express themselves without fear of judgment. When contributions are acknowledged, and it builds confidence and trust, leading to better collaboration and more innovative ideas. And the slide 7 would be about when emotions get in the way. In one of the group projects, there was a situation where not all the team members contributed equally, but this created a frustration for those who were doing more work, including myself. And instead of addressing the issue calmly at the beginning, I allowed my emotions to build up, which eventually led to a negative reaction. This affected communication within the team and slowed down our process. And looking back, I realized that managing emotions earlier could have prevented the situation from escalating. And the slide would be about the improvement strategy. To handle the similar situations better in the future, I would apply the emotional intelligence strategies and everything. First, I would take a pause before reacting, which helps prevent emotional escalation. Second, I will use um the statements to express my concerns in a respectful way, such as saying, I feel concerned about your progress. Third, I would practice active learning, active listening to understand other perspectives. And finally, I would focus on finding solutions instead of blaming the individuals. And these approaches would help create a more constructive and positive outcome. And the slide 9 would be about the key takeaways. The key takeaways from this presentation are that understanding the personality types helps improve communication. Clear communication prevents misunderstandings and emotional control, which is essential in conflict situations. Encouraging the participants builds stronger teams, and creating a positive work environment leads to a better performance. Overall, the leadership is about the balancing people skills with the task management. And the slide 10 would be about the conclusion, which I would talk about. The leadership is a human skill. In conclusion, I would say the leadership is fundamentally a human skill. Effective leaders do more of than manage tasks. They understand people, manage emotions, and build strong relationships within the teams. Emotional intelligence, collaboration, and continuous learning and essential qualities for the successful leadership. By developing these skills, we can create teams that are not only productive but also supportive and motivated. And the slide 11 would be about the references. These are all the sources used in the presentation, including the course material and supportive resources on leadership, temperament types, and emotional management. Thank you for your time and attention. I appreciate the opportunity to present on this topic.